Hi guys. Today we're going to be featuring an angle grinder from an online store. Okay, I just ordered this a couple of days ago and just got this today. It's really quick shipment. Let's get started. Let's get to the point. Okay, you're gonna be seeing something familiar if you're looking for an angle grinder on an online store. This was selling like pancakes, so I thought it would be a reliable item. Okay, this one doesn't have any brand at all or anything, but it's obvious that it came from China. Okay, first thing that I've seen, or the first thing that I notice, is the features that I was looking for. Onto this part, it's supposed to have a battery indicator, uh, a speed regulator, and some other stuff for the gears. And also, it doesn't have any lock switch. It only has a switch for on and off. So this is your main lock switch also, which is okay. But if you are doing a DIY, I don't know how safe it is. You're supposed to have a lock switch. And the head is basically made out of hard plastic that I don't get. This will not last if you drop this, if it cracks, and then game over. Okay, second thing that I notice is the battery. It's so light. It's 998 VF. Approximately, this should at least weigh around 750 to 800 grams, almost a kilo, if it's 998 BF. I had I had a legitimate lithium battery also. It's only 588 BF, and this is amounting to at least 600 grams. Lagpas ng kalahating kilo. But this one, it only weighs close to 400 grams. But it's less. It's 300 something. I will weigh it later so you can see the difference. Okay, it has complete accessories. This is the only battery charger that it has. Oh, one thing, when I tested this, when I put on the battery, I had an angle grinder before, but when you turn it on, you feel the kick. I mean, the kick of the torque right away. This one doesn't have any. And also the battery was also measuring to about 18 volts, 18 to 19 volts, and it receded right away. The seller told me it had to be charged to reach at least to 20 volts, but I doubt that it will. So right now I'm telling you, I'm going to return this. Without further ado, let's test it so that you can judge it for yourself. I'm going to put down my phone real quick. Okay, as you can see, the 998 BF lithium battery. When I turned it on, nothing. I'm holding it really, really light. With the real thing, you have to hold it tight because the torque is very powerful. See? It's really light. Could have been handy, but the power is not there. I don't think it's going to last. And if you break it in a few days or weeks, then you just wasted. Oh, by the way, this whole package worth around 1,400 plus shipping and stuff. Okay. Same thing with this other battery. Let's see. Excuse me. Okay. See, with the 588BF that I had, this is actually more powerful, but the machine doesn't even have a kick also. So it's more powerful because of the battery. But once again, I bought a 998BF and I'm expecting more out of it. But this battery is definitely better. Okay, let's measure this battery to prove that there might be just fake lithium batteries inside. Okay, it's now on 0. Yeah, it's around 346 grams. Okay. Now let's measure my battery, which is 588. By the way, this is not really a legit battery also, but it's efficient enough. Okay, let's see. 588. There you go. 525. This used to measure around 600. Well, anyway, it's a big difference in it. More than 200 grams. And this is only 588. Oh, I'm sorry. I had I think it's 688 or 788 BF that I was talking about earlier. But anyway, you can see the difference, 998 and 558. Looks legit. Maybe. Well, you be the judge. Alright guys, that'll be it for it. I'm disappointed. So once again, just like I said, if you don't want to get disappointed, learn from my mistakes. Thank you. Bye-bye.